solution for sequence and arithmetic sequence. This is our
One
this is our meaning of arithmetic sequence. Sequence with first term a sub 1 and constant g such that e sub 2 is equal to e sub 1 plus g, and a3 is equal to a2 plus g,
ay lagi
and
sigsayaw.
a sub 4 is equal to 3 sub 3 plus g, a sub n and e sub n negative 1. The n is equivalent is 1 plus negative 1 plus g. The number g is called the common difference associated with the sequence, and this is the meaning of sequence. Accession of number which follow a fixed pattern. A sequence is finity if it has a limited number of terms, and infinity if it does not. Let us proceed for our number one example, and that is number one. Write the third and first term of an arithmetic whose fourth term is 9, and the fourth term is 9, and the common difference is 2. Okay, I will find a sub 3 is equal and a sub 5 is equal, and let's proceed for our third term. I'll find a third term. A sub 3 is equal to 3 plus open and close parentheses 3 negative 1 times 2. Okay, and this one bring down the 3 and positive sign, and open and close parentheses 2. Because why is 2? Because 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and times 2 bring down 2, and this one bring down the 3 and the sign is bring down also, and this one is this is a times or a multiply. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. We follow the sign, and the sign is positive, is equal is added, and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And this is a third term. A sub 3 is equal to 7. Okay, and let's proceed for our next solution for number 5 or fifth term. Or a sub 5 is equal to 3 positive and 5 negative, and 5 plus and open parentheses minus 1 times 2, and bring down also the 3 and a positive sign, and open and close parentheses 4. Why 4? Because 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and times 2, and this one. And 3 is bring down the 3 and a sign also, and this one 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 8, right? And I follow the sign because it's added, and no one sign can conceal. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, and the 11 is a fifth term, or a5 sub a sub 5 is equal to 11. Okay, let's proceed for our next example. Write the first 3 terms of an arithmetic sequence if the fourth term is 10. The fourth term is number 10, right? And g is negative 3. Okay. we find a sub 1 and a sub 2 and a sub 3, and I'll find the first term, and to forget the first term, you can use this one, a fourth term, because the fourth term is the way how to what is the first term. Okay, we will try to solve this one. A sub 4 is equal, and I will find a right, and you put the a sub 1 over there because she is fine. I will find this one. And positive and open and close parentheses 4 because 4 is here, and 4 negative 1. And negative, and the T is negative 3, and 4 is 3 there. And the A4, is 10, right? And you change that one and this down. You change the A sub 4 as you change 10. It's equals A sub 1. You put a sub 1 over there, but I will find out A sub 1 plus close and open parentheses 3. It's negative 3. 10, bring down to 10 again, and again, and a sub 1 and sign, and this one, 3 times 3 is 9, and copy the sign, and to add of this, to add, you can transfer it in this side, and the sign is changed. It's positive. It is positive, and I will follow the sign. It is added, and I will add 10 plus 9 equals 19, right? And I copy the a sub 1, and this is our first term, or the a sub 1 is equals 19, or first term. Okay, let's give it up for our next example, or our next solution for second term. A sub 2 is equal to our first term, 19, plus open and close parentheses 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Our negative 3 is the D. Okay, 19, bring down the 19, and this one is 2 minus 1 is 1, and bring down the negative 3 again, and this one, and bring down the 9 out of 19, and 1 times 3 is negative 3, plus positive plus negative equals negative. Okay, you put in negative over there. Okay, and this is I will minus that one. 19 minus 3 equals 16, and this is our second term, or the a sub 2 is 16, or the 16 is the a sub 2, and this is our second term. Okay, I will proceed at the third example, or the third term, and this is our third term is a sub 3 equals 19. This is our first term, 19, and 3 minus 1, open and close parentheses, and negative 3, and bring down again the 19, and the first term 19, and close and open parentheses 2, and a negative 3. Bring down again the 19. Okay, 19, and a positive and a negative, and a 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, it's equal to this is a negative. Okay, this is a negative. 19 minus 6 equals 13. Why is 13? Because positive plus negative is all the same up here. All the same up here. Here. Positive plus negative. But this one, you put this one in here because to learn how to get this one in the negative. Okay, and our third term is 13. 13. Our third term is 13. Okay, let's
Yan
proceed
na,
for